It's your boy L Sauce. Hey, it's your boy L Sauce. Subscribe. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
And go like this. Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hey, what's going on with y'all, man? Hope everybody doing well today. Appreciate you guys for clicking on this video and taking some time out of your busy day to come spend some time with your boy. Like I said on the last video, I was doing a 300 subscriber giveaway. I'm a man of my word, okay? I have the 2 winners. Watch to the very end, they will be announced. I don't know if I'm gonna do the gift card thing, but I'm most definitely gonna do like Cash App or Venmo. Or if the person can't do Cash App or Venmo, I guess I will have to do a gift card, but they're gonna get their money regardless. First place winner is gonna get $25. Second place winner is gonna win $15. It ain't much, but it's gonna get you a meal, okay? Today I'm taking you guys to Tupelo, honey, a real dope brunch spot, followed up by a hot spot, Pins Mechanical. Y'all stay tuned. I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Your boy's at 305 subscribers. Thank you, Lord, and thank you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and take care of yourself. Love y'all. Peace.
Hey, what's up, guys? So my name is CJ Nash, good friend of Melvin's, and we're here at the Tupelo Honey. It's a great time, great vibe, all that stuff. Melvin will tell you about it more. But I had the sweet potato pancakes, super sweet. It really owns up to the name. Had fried chicken on top of there, as well as bacon. It was amazing. When I tell you all the flavors just came together, you have the salty, you have the sweet. Of course, I had the syrup. Of course, it had that's like a honey sriracha sauce that's sticks to the name. It's spicy and it's sweet. It all comes together very well. There was also an egg on the side, well, 2 eggs on the side. It was sunny side up. How I like it with the egg yolk coming out. It was truly special. You put all those things together, it's a masterpiece. So if you were to come here and you want a mixture of salty and sweet with a little bit of egg yolk, get that. I don't know exactly what the thing is called, but it was amazing. Yep.
What's good with y'all, man? Look, so today we're brunch bros, man. We're at Tupelo, honey. Show them what it's looking like. So we got like a TikTok group of girls there. You know, we got like our brunch girls with the hats, everything. The vibe is super dope. Music's been real trendy. The whole decoration is real cool, real modern, nice touch. The servers here, they're not gonna be on you, but they're gonna be constantly checking on you because this place is busy. They will take care of you. We had a brunch, a little mimosa drink. Obviously it's gone, but it was nice. Had like peach and nectar and pineapple in there. It's really good. Ordered the shrimp and grits. I added chorizo in them. It was really good. I would prefer like the shrimp to be like a little bit more like saucy, a little bit more creamier. They were good. I give them like a 7.2, 7.3. Flavors were good. The chorizo added a spice to it. The shrimp were cooked okay. But yeah, if you guys are ever in the Charlotte area, I would most definitely suggest you guys come to Tupelo Honey. Again, y'all seen CJ in my last video that went to South Carolina. I'm gonna link his stuff again right now. Yeah, so we just some bros brunching today, man. We catching up. Make sure you surround yourself by people with good energy that are doing well, man. Your network is your net worth. You know what I mean? So keep that in mind. I love y'all. Peace.
Depo on the beat.
What's up with y'all, man? Look, so now we're at Penn's Mechanical, a South End staple. If you can think of anyone the age between 21 and 33, 34, maybe up to 50s, this is a place they're coming to. What's really cool about this place is all the games are free. If you want to do pinball, I think it's going to cost you like 25, 50 cents, but all the games downstairs are free. You get a really nice, beautiful skyline of the city in the patio. But I'm going to show y'all a lot more footage downstairs of all the games. They have bowling here, all that stuff, man. So we're going to have a good time. I'll get black with y'all.
Depo on the beat.